Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to be making some boho themed cake pops. Okay, so we're going to start off by dipping our cake pop and then we're going to set it on a candy melt so it can stand up straight and give us a little bit of a stand. Right here I'm just splattering some gold luster mixed with lemon extract, and I'm covering the cake pop stick with a paper towel so I won't stain it. And now I'm just going to paint the candy melt part and just give it a little bit of dimension. So I wanted to try something different, you guys, and I found these little triangles on Amazon. They're gold pendants, and I'm gluing it on with chocolate. They're not edible, so I know some people won't like that, but what do you guys think? Would you guys have a problem with it? I know my customer was very happy with the end result, and she didn't mind it at all. She absolutely loved them. But what do you guys think as bakers? So after I stuck that in, which was so easy to do, I thought it would be harder, but once that was on there, I did use a small leaf and I glued it on again with chocolate, and we're just gonna start adding our details. Okay, and we're just gonna finish this cake pop off with a small rose, and we're done with this one. I'm gonna be linking everything down below for you guys, but now we're just gonna do the second cake pop that I made for her, and it's also just as easy as this one. As you guys can see, I also splattered this one with gold, and now I'm just gonna stick my gold leaf on there with some chocolate. It is also not edible. I got this one from Walmart. But of course, if you guys want an edible option, you guys can just buy a mold and paint it gold, and that'll look just as beautiful. Okay, now I'm just gonna stick on 2 small roses. They are different size and 2 different shades of pink. Okay, so now we're just gonna finish off by painting the bottom candy melt, and we're done. Tell me what you guys think, if you guys like it. What do you guys think about the not edible arrangements that I put on there? But that's all. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. See you next time. Okay, and this is just a quick clip on how I painted the bottom of the candy melts. And as you guys can see right now, it's hanging upside down, and the oil from my cake pop dough seeped into the cake pop stick and it made it turn yellow. I was very upset, but I ended up at the end painting it with white chocolate. Right there, you guys can see a little bit of yellow on the cake pop. I won't be adding oil on my cake pop dough anymore. See you guys next time.